Hi viewers, welcome to the channel. So uh, today I have reached around. As you can see, it's very bushy, and what I'm doing now, I'm just clearing the bush. This was a big long napier grass, but the owner is not cultivating for now. So I was approached and was asked if I can lease, and I said yes. So whenever an opportunity comes, just take it, grab it. Now, there are things for upcoming dairy farmers that they should know. One, when you are leasing, when you are rearing cows, you must have a reliable, adequate source of fodder. And the way you can do it is by not buying the rad, but leasing. Because if you keep on buying fodder, you will go broke the soonest time possible. So, and when you are leasing lands, there are some things that you should uh, follow, whether you like it or not. One, when you are leasing, there must be an agreement that will bind you and the owner that you have leased, and for duration of how many months or years, and the amount. There must be witnesses. The reason I'm saying this is because when you are leasing, you can like what I'm doing right now. You see, I've just started cutting, clearing the bush, and next I'll come and start digging, and I plant whether it is maize or napier grass, whatever, or I leave it like that so that the old napier grass can keep on growing. So if I put on, I have already put on labor. If you put on, you come and apply either fertilizer or apply manure, that is also another cost. And there are some jealousy people, when they see that their rad has been cultivated, it is being productive, they start this propaganda, they want it back. So, but you will refer back to the agreement that you made, you and the owner made, and the witnesses. Yeah. So there's no way he or she is going to con you. And if possible, you have to ascertain, first of all, you have to ascertain if the rad is registered at the receipt, the person, the owner, and if it is their ID numbers, the ID cards, their title, all those. And if you are going to lease it for a long time, let's say 5 years and above, make sure that you involve a lawyer. Yeah, you go and you get a lawyer. They will ask you for some amount of money, and they will draft for you a lease agreement that will be applicable for between you and the owner of the land. Yeah. So always never go to an agreement, and never lease a land without an agreement or by word of mouth. No, because like now this you see, and I'll upload the video later. I'll clear all these, and I'll cultivate it, and I'll make this land very productive. Yeah. So when the owner sees that, he or she may feel, I was shortchanged, or I must take back my rad and I can do the same. No, you can't do the same. Or if the rad was like this and you are not able to cultivate or to do better thing, you can't do it even if you are given it back. Yeah. So you must be very keen when you are writing a lease agreement. You involve the title number must be indicated, or the plot number must be indicated. The owner IDs and your IDs must be included. The witnesses. And also, you should also consult the area chief. Yeah, the area chief will tell you if that rad is registered to that person or not. Yeah, so you have to be very keen when it comes to that. And also, you can involve an area drunkard. You see, when you see a man or a woman or a drunkard in a village, he or she knows a lot. Yeah, and if you give him or her some amount of money, he or she will tell you everything about that land. Yeah, so don't go blindly, don't go and listen to that blindly. So you have to be very keen. Yeah, be very very keen. And now, once you have followed the due process of the lease agreement, all that, you involve lawyers, you involve witnesses, and all that. Now, agree on how many, on duration, how many years are you going to cultivate. So I wouldn't advise you to go for 1 year, because you won't even have proud back your profit. So always go for 5 years and above. Yeah, so that you can say, I want to invest in that trad. You put all your resources there, and to get back that profits, to get all the money that you poured there and the profit, it will take you some times. So you have to be very keen. And also, before you even lease land, depending on the situation, like this one, the one they have here, you can talk to the owner, and you beg, or you tell him or her that you start paying after some, like now, after 6 months, after. So he give you a period, yeah, a leeway, so that you can be able to clear, to clean all that. Yeah, there are some who will understand, some won't understand. Yeah, so try to be wise. Yeah, try to be wise in everything. In every investment, you have to be wise, whether you like it or not. Yeah, so use be wise when you are dealing with these things. Yeah, the reason why I've told you go for 5 and above years is that you keep on, you get your profit back. Yeah, all the resources, all the time you wasted, not wasted, all the time you invested doing all that will be coming back. You'll be paid well. Yeah, and like this is a quarter acre up to there. That's a quarter acre. So I'll be not an even a quarter. I think it's not even a quarter. It is big. It is those. It is bigger than a quarter, because the traditional ways of measuring land is different from nowadays. Yeah. But I'm talking here in Kenya. Yeah. So this one is, let's say it is a quarter. It's a quarter. But an acre goes for 12K to 12,000 here in Kenya for when you are leasing for a whole year. But this uh, is near my home. Yeah, and it is a good location. So we have agreed that I'll be paying 7K per year. Then 7K will be good, because in a season I'll be harvesting like uh, some pickups of or one lorry of Napier grassia, because it is already too late. I'm not going to be planting maize for now. I'm going to be, I will continue with the Napier here. Yeah. So take that in mind. You have to be very very keen when you are dealing with rand. The rand issue is very very keen. Yeah, it's very big. So you have to involve lawyers, involve witnesses, involve the area chief, involve the area drunkard. All those will tell you everything. So an drafted lease agreement is very very crucial when it comes to leasing land. So let me continue doing this. I'm doing it on or by myself. Even if I take 2 days, I am a jack of all trade. I do everything. Yeah, even you can do everything if you believe in yourself and you trust God that everything will work for for the betterment of you. So thank you for watching till this far, and I hope you put that into consideration. So have a nice time. See you in another video.